Inspire Institute of Technologies Pakistan is offering you LICQual, Level 2 Award in Risk Assessment. The Level 2 Award in Risk Assessment is designed to equip learners with the essential knowledge and skills to conduct effective risk assessments in various settings. This course provides a comprehensive understanding of risk assessment principles, enabling participants to identify potential hazards, evaluate risks, and implement appropriate control measures. Whether you are a professional seeking to enhance your occupational safety expertise or an individual interested in promoting safety in your community, this course will empower you to make informed decisions to reduce and manage risks effectively. Course benefits: develop a solid understanding of risk assessment concepts and best practices. Enhance your employability by acquiring valuable risk assessment skills, gain the confidence to identify and manage potential hazards in different environments, contribute to safer working conditions and improved safety awareness, progress towards further qualifications in health and safety. Learning outcomes. By the end of this course, participants will be able to define the key principles of risk assessment and its importance in various sectors, identify common hazards and potential risks in different environments, conduct thorough risk assessments using recognized methodologies, evaluate risks and determine appropriate control measures, understand legal obligations and regulatory requirements related to risk assessment, communicate effectively with stakeholders regarding risk assessment findings and control measures. Entry requirements. There are no specific prerequisites for enrolling in the Level 2 Award in Risk Assessment course. However, participants should have a basic understanding of workplace practices and a good level of English language proficiency to comprehend the course materials effectively. Study units. Introduction to Risk Assessment, identifying hazards and risks, risk assessment methods, implementing control measures, communication and documentation. Future progressions. Upon completion of the Level 2 Award in Risk Assessment, learners can consider the following progression options: Level 3 Award in Health and Safety in the Workplace, Level 3 Certificate in Risk Assessment Principles and Practice, pursuing a career in health and safety management or related fields, engaging in continuous professional development, CPD, to stay updated with industry best practices. Admission open. For registration call us on 92-321-505-6755 or WhatsApp us on 92-331-5999937. Visit our website www.iitpakistan.com.pk or mail us at info@iitpakistan.com.pk. Make sure to subscribe us on YouTube and follow our Facebook page for more details about other qualifications.